Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 18th, 2020. We're going to give you all an update on Nvidia, and we're going to try to make a determination if this particular product is still a buy. Now, before we talk about that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys see how easy it is to forecast price movement. Hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to this channel to make sure you always be in the know as to where the trap is going to bring the value of these many products within the stock market. It's that simple. Join us on our own website, gfinancialaswell.com, and then on our other social media platforms. To make it convenient for you, the links are in the description of this video. Now let's talk, because the last time we did our video for Nvidia was on May the 10th, all the way back here, right? And we were expecting the market in Nvidia to make all-time highs, because when we did our video on May the 10th, the market was trading at restriction areas from January and February 2020. Now, we were expecting the market to make all-time highs, and man, exceeding expectations. This has definitely exceeded our forecast. At best, 4% profitability could have been had into the market in Nvidia. It doesn't mean that you couldn't capitalize on the continuation of strength that came through since that video was had on our platform. You could have jumped back in numerous times into the market on this. So at least 4%. Let's get out today. Okay. Let's try to get out the market today in Nvidia, and we'll be up 60.08% if you were to get out today. So very good to see that play out in Nvidia. 4% versus 60%. Yeah, that's a varying difference, but either way is profit. And that's how we move on this particular platform. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. And we need to answer this question, seeing how Nvidia is now trading around $500. Can this market still see higher price? I mean, because we already topped out into the market in Nvidia on September the 2nd, to where the market hit almost $600, $589.07. Can we continually see the strength into the market in Nvidia? Well, let's take a look. First thing is, we're going to see the market in Nvidia in a very moderate uptrend. Okay, this market in Nvidia is still in an uptrend. The trend is still strong, and you guys can see here we just got overextended, beginning for the month of September. Now we're trying to come back into an area of safety, an area to where the market can really get some business going between the buyers and the sellers. This ascending line that I've just drawn is going to play a vital role going forward into the continuation of strength into the market for Nvidia. It's that simple. Now, 480 is support above this ascending line. And you know why? It's because the market held support many days, many trading days. August the 17th, then again on August the 20th, and then again on September the 11th, September the 4th, and then again on yesterday's trading day. So we got 480 for support. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we came and barely nipped $460 neither in Nvidia. All right. So I'm trying to answer this question, if the trap is going to continue to increase the value of Nvidia, or are we going to trade sideways and then eventually dump into the market? Because looking here on the weekly time frame, the market definitely in Nvidia It's seeing increased volume. So we're seeing some participation within the markets. And right now, with this high volume, the market is not reacting negatively to Nvidia trading at these high prices. The market is being complacent. Now, there are some participants in this market that is looking at Nvidia and taking profits. But then there are those in the market that is still eyeing for higher price. I could definitely see that from the last 3 weeks. So my main focus that would change my forecast of the video going higher would be $480. That's it. That's the pull pin right there to see this market in the video break before 480, break below that. Then the market has changed from maintaining this strength of going higher to one of lower price. Okay. Take a look at the video real quick on the monthly time frame. We got 12 more days left. And again, you can see that we are seeing some profit taking going on in the video. All right. So let's take a look before we go. We're going to look at this on an hourly time frame real quick. And you can see here that generally the market looks to hold this consolidational range between 470 all the way back up there to 520. Every time we get up there towards $510 to 520, that's where the weakness comes in. We need to see the trap break that area to the upside. Okay. So what do you expect the market in Nvidia to do? When I look at these multiple price charts and these price bars, the market in Nvidia is still trying to go higher price. But I'm seeing over the horizon that 510 to 520 into the market can hold back this product for going substantially higher than that. Okay. So we're seeing price levels of 480 to 510 to 520 as the battleground between the market. This is where the battle is going to be had between the trap and everyone else. So we're going to go ahead with the forecast of higher price in Nvidia. Like I said, 480. It's going to be ultimately support. This forecast will be invalid. The market breaks that to the downside on weakness. And 520 for restriction. That area, I would say 510 to 520 will have to be watched strongly to see if the trap's going to be able to break that to the upside, because 510 to 520 is where the sellers are at. Okay, so this is our forecast. We're going to play some minor strength into the market in Nvidia based off of the trend still being in play, market holding support at 480. And then we look at the market on the hourly time frames. We're still seeing how the trap is trying to increase this value in Nvidia. Now, this is our forecast. Now is your turn. When you do your prediction, your forecast in Nvidia, where do you see this market going over the next week or so? Tell us with a comment in the comment section. Then also give us your TP price. Definitely would like to know your thoughts. Now make sure you maintain a profitability, and I'll talk to you all on our next video.